No towers in the sky tonight, no signal bars burning bright, just copper tracing RF line.
Hi, I am Adam from RFOXiA from our real lab. You may remember RFOXiA from our previous campaign since we asked what if we could control a drone at 20 kilometers using Bluetooth, not 100 meters, not with compromises, not with a $10,000 budget. So we built the world's longest range BLE module, reliably achieves 5 kilometers man-to-man, 20 kilometers man-to-drone, 50 kilometers drone-to-drone. The accurate GNSS module, 1.5 meter accuracy, 18 Hz fix rate, precision that keeps up with fast-moving platforms. The fully integrated sensors module, temperature, humidity, air pressure, air quality, accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer, 7 sensors, all controlled through a single efficient I2C line. And now we are integrating them all with the power and program kit, a supercapacitance battery system and ST-Link programmer in one, charges in under 5 minutes, powers the BLE module for a full day, and the convenient ST-Link programmer connects directly via SWD, no extra hardware needed. And we built the world's most enjoyable IoT app, RFOXiA Connect, and that's how it looks on your phone. Live map, real-time sensors, PS5 style controller, no internet required, your BLE module does everything. Enjoying a full of fun and premium experience.
I built a network with no internet, no one owns the air I send, node to node and hand to hand, we built the grid they never planned. I built a network with no internet, 50 kilometers, no regret, free to go at towers end. I built a network with no internet.
The app is available on Google and Apple Store, and now we are working on the chat screen. Text messages, voice messages, data sharing, live calls, all through your BLE modules. No internet, no cellular, no infrastructure of any kind. Pure device-to-device communication at 5 kilometers range. Every person who backed RFOXiA is on our founders wall. Real builders, real projects, a growing community that gets early access to everything we build next. You could be on this wall. Every backer gets immediate access to our RFOXiA Club. I am not going to explain everything inside. I want you to discover it yourself. But let me show you 4 things. See exactly what we are building next. Live, in real time, suggest ideas and more. Every document or code, every guide, everything you need to build with RFOXiA hardware, all of it, completely free. Your command center, control your devices, monitor live data, manage your sensor network, all from one dashboard. And that's me, Adam, RFOXiA AI. I give you the full open source firmware, describe what you want to build, I customize it for you, auto-commit to GitHub. Let's get started. We shipped before, we will ship again. Back us for $5 today, RFOXiA Club Access, $10 welcome credit, and everything inside waiting for you. Or back the developer bundle and start building the day it arrives.